Hello everyone, I am Payal here from Sunbird Kitchen and today we are at the Bagad Property in Nasik. And today what we see here is a masterpiece of pure elegance. This is the parlor kitchen and the work triangle is perfectly designed for better access. Better access means the sink, hob and refrigerator are placed in a way that makes cooking a lot more easier for you. Parlor kitchens are best suited for compact spaces like this, where maximum space are utilized, yet giving you enough space to move around. Talking about the design style, this is a contemporary style kitchen with an added touch of royal elegance to it. These shutter here are unique in their own ways, and I have never seen such shutters like before. At a first glance, you didn't even notice that these shutters are made up of glass. But these shutters are made up of matte finished glass and the golden framing to it just adding an extra bit of elegance. Now, let's have a detailed look at each storage space. We have a cutlery unit over here. And this is the inside drawer. As you can see, every Sunbird kitchen drawer comes with a soft close technology. This drawer here is for bigger utensils. And this one is for cups and saucers. This drawer is for plates. As you can see, maximum space is utilized here to give you enough space in compact space like this. And here is a tall unit. It gives you enough space for bigger utensils. And these are the overhead units. And they come with different hydraulic mechanism. Everything is perfectly designed here. Even the refrigerator is perfectly blending with this design. Overall, this kitchen is a great fusion of contemporary style design with some classic rich elements. That's all for today's kitchen. See you again in the next video. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and call us for more detail on the given number.